Hi friends, welcome. So in this video we are going to solve the remaining problems of the exercise 1.6. So the second one is we need to find the following. The first one is 9 power 1 by 2. So what is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is nothing but square root. So this expression will be equal to root of 9, which is 3. Simple. Now comes the tricky one. 32 power 2 by 5. So, what is this? 2 by 5 can be written as 2 into 1 by 5? Yes? Yes. So, 2 is nothing but square and this is nothing but fifth root, which means we can write it as fifth root of 32 whole square, or vice versa, like 32 whole square whole fifth root. So, for our calculations, this is the easy one and this is a little tough one. So, fifth root of 32 is 2 and its square is 4. Simple. If we do 32 square, so 32 into 32, one zero two four, and 1024 fifth root. So 4 4s are 16. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. This is 16 and this is 16 and this is 4. So 16, 16, 256 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 2, 4 5s are 22. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. The both ways the sum is correct. But for our easy calculations, we use this. So, the third one is 16 power 3 by 4. 16 power 3 by 4. So, 16 power 3 by 4. So, how can we write this? 16 power 3 into 1 by 4. And fourth root of 16 whole root 3. And this becomes 2 cube. Because 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 16. So 2 cube, which is 8. Simple. But a little trick one. Now here comes a trick one. 125 power minus 1 by 3. So how will we do this? So 125 power minus 1 into 1 by 3 and cube root of 125 whole power minus 1, and this becomes 25 power minus 1, which is 1 by 5. Simple. So, now we have completed the second one, and third one is the simplification part. So, we need to simplify this following expressions by using the identities discussed in the previous video, like a power m into a power n, a power m power 4 power n, and a power 0, and like that, so on. So, the first one, 2 power 2 by 3, 2 power 2 by 3, comma, 2 power 1 by 5. So 1 by 5. So what can we do? As bases are equal, we can add them. So they gave it a dot. So this dot means multiplication. Dot is multiplication, this is multiplication, and this is also multiplication. This we use in computer language while writing, and this is used in higher studies. So 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5. So bases are equal, so powers must be added. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So LCM is 15. 15 by 10 plus 3 is equal to power 13 by 15. That is the answer. Okay. 1 by 3 cube whole power 7. So, how can we do this? It's very simple. Just we need to simplify. So, we will use this property. A by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. So, this is 1 power 7 by 3 cube whole power 7. So, we use a power m whole power n is equal to a power m. So, this becomes 1 power 7 is 1 by 3 7s are 21, 3 by 21. And if we switch it upwards, it becomes 3 power minus 21. This is the simplified product we wanted. So, now the next problem is a little bit one. 11 power 1 by 2 by 11 power 1 by 4. So, we will do the subtraction. So, 11 power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, which is 11 power 1 by 2, sorry, 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. We take the LCM and it will become 11 power 1 by 4 again. So, next one, 7 half, 7 and a half, 7 power half dot 8 power 1 by 2. So this dot means again multiplication. So we multiply. So powers are not equal. Sorry. The bases are not equal, but the powers are equal. So we will use this. A power m into b power m is equal to ab whole power m. So 56 whole power 1 by 2, which is root of 56. We can still simplify this further. We can write this as 8 into 7 whole root, right? So 4 into 2 into 7, we can write, yes. So 4, so this 4 comes out as 2. 4 root 2, 2 root 14. This is the simplified product. So, you know what? This chapter is completed. Hats off. So, in this video, we have completed this chapter and thank you.